Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, look at all the magpies. That's... Oh, hello. A couple of them over here now. Okay, time to walk up. There they go. Oh. And there's another one right down there. They're so cute. You still up there? Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna get going on my walk. I see a chicken going back inside. Ah, I just missed it. I saw its butt. I was too late. Alright. Well, I guess I'll just keep going on my walk. Oh! I just saw one of my crow friends arrive. He's back there on the telephone pole. Hey, you! What are you doing back there? Can he even see me? I'm coming back around. Let's see. There he is. Hey, you. I guess I better get the treats out. We got one hand. Okay, now you're looking at me. Alright. Leave a nice little pile here. Oh, yeah, you are watching. Okay, there you go. I don't think there's anything behind me. I can walk backwards pretty safely. Get your treat. Am I far enough away yet? Oh, someone else. Okay. Well, go get your treat. Join your friend. Oh, let's get him zoom in more. Alright, well, he's aware. That's all that matters. So, well, I guess I'm going to continue on my walk. We'll get it when he's ready. I don't know if he's coming to see me. I saw him from a ways off. You know, if I can get my pack open, I'll eat a small treat, just in case. I just got a Fred Meyer's right over there, and I was heading over to the Warriors Quick Stop over there. I was going to get coffee. Let's see. A little pile, just in case. I don't know. Hope he gets it. Someone will. Okay. So I got my coffee. Just got out of the Warriors Quick Stop. And I asked the guy, who are the Warriors? There's no team of ours. And he says, I don't know. They're from this. It's like a chain out of Cle Elum. So I guess it's a Cle Elum team, but I don't know anything about them. That's in Upper County. Gloves are still here. I hope someone comes back looking for them. I assumed this guy was probably his, but I don't know. Did what I could. Some chickens are out now. You see like 2, 3 of them. Yeah. So you see 3 there. Let's come around the other side. There's the rest of them. The black one and another orange one behind him, or she. I do that too often. They're girls. Of course they're girls. Alright. Little sparrows. Well, I'm gonna head home. Go make us some breakfast. Or lunch, I don't know. It's before, it's like 9 a.m. Is it breakfast or is it lunch? Whatever, first meal of the day. Hi, Kevin. It's got a coffee. Yeah. The French vanilla at the Warriors.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that one.
Yeah, it's good.
So, now I'm finishing my walk and you're starting yours.
Yeah, yeah.
Just gonna go make breakfast.
Oh, nice.
So, I'll catch you later.
I'll see you.
Chattery. Oh, it's Velcro. Kitty, kitty. Look at that cute kitty. It's Velcro. I think they have a gray cat too, but I haven't seen that one very often. It's usually just Velcro in the window. Okay, I'm home now.